Good Wednesday morning, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you live from near and far. On today's episode, we're just gonna be walking around nature. Like I said, I'm on a LOA now, so I really can't go to work or anything. So about the only thing I can do is just walk around. Walk around, look at nature. That's the only really thing I'm really allowed to do. I'm outside right now. I'm just walking around. So join me on this episode today. Yeah, today is my second anniversary at Walmart. I've been there 2 years. I drove a truck. I drove for Swift for 10 years and 36 months, and I went to work for Ross, a really laser spot, moving trailers around the yard. And then Walmart called me. So, I had to take that call. I had people at Laser Spot saying, man, I wouldn't do that. I'd stay home. I'd stay around South Carolina. I wouldn't go way out like that. But, you know what? I felt led to I followed my heart. I followed what my heart said about Walmart. If I'm not looking at the camera, I apologize. I got I'm barefooted out here, and this ground kind of rocky through here a little bit. I love it out here. I'll show you what I see. You can hear the birds. Like I say, it's beautiful down here. Not too much of a main highway. One of my cousins. Not too much of a main highway. Too much traffic. But sometimes, let me say this. Sometimes it is. We got cameras on our house, and security cameras, and sometimes it goes off. Now, there's a lot of people come down through here, because this is the route to the river, to the Wateree River from Kershaw. This is everybody uses this road to go down to Wateree. I want to go down there too and shoot a video at the dam and stuff. I was going to show you something, some real southern hospitality. When your back is hurt, your neighbors come out and help you cut grass. That's the way it's supposed to be, Thought I'd walk up here and see the mama pig. Mama, right quick. She's looking straight at us. She still got all 11. But that ain't her. That ain't your pigs over here. Your pigs are down yonder. There comes the mama. No, that's the boar. We want more. Ah, those cute little things. But that's what they, like I said in the other video, that's what they grow up to be right there. That kind of something running way over there. Okay, let me know in the comments below. Do you drink these? I like the zero sugars myself. That's just my opinion. I like the zero sugars. I used to drink the big ones. I used to drink the ones that had sugar. Oi. I stepped over a rock or something. But I used to drink the Monsters. Which one was it? The zero sugar, or not zero sugar, I'm sorry. The regular ones. Until I could become a diabetic. And after I become a diabetic, I quit drinking those. Now I just drink, if I get one every once in a while, I drink the white cans. I can't remember the name of the same thing as a Monster. I've tried the watermelons. I tried the coffee. I didn't like them too much. I didn't like the coffee and the watermelon. They got one peach. I think it's peach. I don't like it. I just like the regular Monsters, the regular zero sugars. My sinus has been bothering me today. My brother and his wife. My sinus has been bothering me today. Really bad. Whew. But yeah, that's the bad thing about living out here in the South. One thing you got to worry about is the pollen. So I don't care too much for the pollen down here. Oh, there's another thing. They still got to come back. We need our ditch. The guy cut my grass. He's got to come back and we need the ditch. And that's a long ditch. That's a long ditch to be weed eating. But I do it every year. I weed eat it every year. It takes me about 2 hours to weed eat everything. Alright, thank you for joining me today. I didn't really do too much today. I walked around, talked a little bit. I walked around back and forth to my brother's house to here and to my house. I needed to get out and walk. But I showed my neighbor cutting my grass, and that's a big thing, Like I said before, it's a big thing when you have people that has your back. When you don't have anybody that has your back, it's a struggle. Which I believe, I believe people should help out others in need. I really believe that. If you physically can. Or if you financially can. Yeah, I talked about the energy drinks. My brother works at Coke. Or he works at, he drives a truck for Coke, a Red Classic. And, sorry, bug got my eye. And he gets them pretty reasonably. He buys all kind. He can get all kind of drinks, all kind of anything Coke brings out, and he gets it. And I did show you some of our pigs, our piglets. And tomorrow's video will just be really me going to physical therapy, and probably that's it. Well, I may stop a few places. Because, I do have to get out and walk. I probably won't be able to walk too far. But, I will stop at some places, on the way. Look at some, or on the way back. I'm sorry, on the way back from physical therapy. I would love to do a restaurant review of it's a convenience store. It's actually a convenience store. And they sell hamburgers, hot dogs, short orders. Like chicken, fried chicken sandwiches, barbecue. There's two stores I would love to take a video at, or do a restaurant review. It's not really a restaurant. It's a convenience store where they cook, and I mean, it is extremely good. One of them is Texaco Crossroads in Lancaster, and the other one is in Pleasant Hill, South Carolina. And I want to do a restaurant review there, because they still sell food. I would love to go do that sometime. But oh yeah, and I talked about today about my allergies, which I hate. And I talked, we talked about the pollen here. The pollen is really extremely bad here. I got something flying right there. Mosquito hawks. Mosquito hawks out flying. But I just, this time my allergies act up so bad. I have problems with my allergies. If you got problems with your allergies, leave a comment below and let me know. So, I'm going to encourage you, you're not alone. You're not alone in this. I struggle with it, and I'm the world's worst, because I grew up, I had eczema when I was a kid. I've had, where my whole face broke out, which I've kind of grown out of eczema. I don't have it as bad as I used to. I mainly have allergies, hay fever and stuff. Where you got runny eyes and coughing and sneezing all the time. Or not all the time. But for a allergy attack, I hate it. It's aggravating, because sometimes you can't really do anything. If I have an allergy attack, the only thing I want to do is go to bed. That's it. I want to go to bed and put my CPAP on, so I can, so I don't have to. I feel like the CPAP keeps me from having sneezing so much. And at the end of it, at the end of the day, when I don't sneeze so much, my back hurts me, my stomach hurts, I've got a headache. And the next day I'm fine. It's only like every once in a while I have these allergy attacks. It's aggravating. I wish I could find a way to get rid of it. I mean, they said I could have my allergy scraped, which I don't want that. I'm already going through enough on my back. But today's video wasn't too much. I hope I, I hope it wasn't too boring today. And that's my fear, that everybody thinks that my video, if I do like this, is boring. I don't want to bore nobody. I just want to be me, on this YouTube channel. I just want to be me. I want to be who I am away from this YouTube channel. I don't want nobody to think I'm boring or. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit your bell, where to notify you where I upload my videos. And remember to love God, love others, and reach the world.